Hello, welcome to Food Basket. Today we are going to prepare anchovy stir fry. This goes very well with rice as well as with chapati. I have prepared using Malabar tamarind. Let us see how to prepare anchovy stir fry. Here I have taken 500 grams of anchovy. This I have cleaned well. Then I have washed it well with water and salt. Then I have taken half a coconut grated, 25 shallots, 5 green chilies, a 2-inch piece of ginger and a few curry leaves. Then I have taken 3 pieces of Malabar tamarind. This I have washed and soaked it in a little water. I have cut the shallots into 4 pieces each. I have cut the ginger into thin long pieces, the green chili into half-inch long thin pieces. Then I have taken an earthen pot. Let us transfer the coconut, ginger, green chili, shallots and curry leaves to the pot. Let us squeeze the coconut well. Let us add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon red chili powder. Let us cut the Malabar tamarind into small pieces and add it here. Let us add the water in which the tamarind was soaked also here. Let us mix it well. Let us add salt. Let us add the anchovy. Let us add a little water. We need not add much. The fish will leave water. Let us keep the earthen pot on the flame. This has come to a boil. Let us cover and cook. Let us reduce the flame. We need to cook the fish for at least 20 minutes. Every 3 to 4 minutes, let us open it, let us stir it, let us see it doesn't get burnt. 15 minutes are over. There is a little water left. Let us open and cook. Let us dry it. This is dry now. This is ready. Let us turn off the gas. Anchovy stir fry is now ready. Let us transfer it to a serving bowl. Hope you like the anchovy stir fry preparation. Definitely try it out. Send me your feedback. Thank you. Come again. Goodbye.